What's up you guys, welcome back to the channel. What I have with me today is a very special unboxing. It's a Christmas present. It's a pair of customized Air Force One by Sykick, which is based in Bombay. Now that's their logo, a pair of spectacles. Excuse the glue, it's not glue actually. I spilled my soda pop while I was checking out the sneakers on the lid, so my bad. Now without much further ado, let me unbox the sneaker. I will leave a link to Sykick's Instagram account down in the description. And yeah, I'm really excited. It's a late Christmas unboxing. Would this be the last sneaker of 2020? I guess so. What I have inside the box is this envelope which has been sealed, like you can see with the Sykick logo. Let's see what it says. And you know what? We named the sneaker. It's called the Oatmeal and Raisins, like you can see right here. And the one thing that I told Urk from Sykick is that I really want to beat these sneakers. If you're going to make me something, I just really want to wear them all the time as much as I can. So he said he's made sure that I can literally beat them to the ground. Ooh, the materials that have been used to craft my pair, but we'll go through that when I get my sneaker out. Let's do the reveal of the Oatmeal and Raisin. Nice paper. Ooh. Look at that. Let me get the sneakers out. Oh shit, it's a beautiful thing. Alright, so here we have it. The Oatmeal and Raisin by Sykick Air Force One. Now this is an actual Air Force One sole. He's used a donor pair and then he's completely revamped or reconstructed the uppers. This is not just like a basic material swap or a paint job. It's an actual all-out change in the pair. Now let's go through the details of the materials that he's used. Alright, so he's used a beige Italian anaconda suede, which is all of these, the toe box area, the mudguard, the lace eyelets and all of that. There's white nubuck and white suede. The white suede, like you can see, is right here on the tongue. And this is actually tumble leather. I don't think it's nubuck. I guess there was a misprint or something. I'm not too sure. I'll have to check with him. But the toe area, like you can see, is all nice and soft. The same goes over here. There's also rust pink suede and blush pink suede. Now let me give you a little bit of detail. So the rust pink suede is right here on this heel counter right there, and the swoosh. And what I hear from him is that as they wear out, they give a nice look. And the blush pink suede is all on the inside. You can see that the sock liner, the insole, and all of it is all that nice soft blush pink suede. And he's used white Napa for the branding on the tongue tabs. And the last touch is that it comes with an exposed foam tongue. Man, this is a mad pair. The attention to detail and the quality is just top notch. A1. Damn, I love this toe box area. Oof. What do you guys think about this custom job? I, for one, am absolutely blown away by the way he's put it together. You know, there's nothing much I can tell you about an Air Force One. I go down half a size always, and I did that with this pair too. Man, shout out to Sykick and Urk for putting this beautiful Oatmeal and Raisins pair together for me. I see myself getting a lot of wear out of it. I'm now gonna slip these on feet to show you what they look like. Man, I still can't get over this pair. It's just so amazing. And the construction is just on point. I love how soft and supple the sneaker is, and it feels really good on feet as well. That's it for this video, you guys. I'll hopefully churn out a lot more content in 2021 and also buy myself a new camera instead of continuing to shoot on my phone. Thank you for staying tuned. If you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe, and if you stayed all the way to the end, give this video a thumbs up. I'll see you on the next one. Peace.